Oh, that's a true statement. You guys are roommates. Nice to help you all around the house when Mahua would try to hang pictures on the walls and hammer screws in with high heel shoes. That's another story.
She's not the most handy person. I mean,
this is true.
Just saying.
But she's very nice and a very good roommate for you, from what I
That's
understand.
true.
But anyway, I was realized that I didn't want to lose Mavish in my life, and so I thought we should give the dating a chance, and here we are. And we got married this summer.
What happened?
In Dallas,
Oh my
and things are going good. So we wish you guys the best of luck and all the happiness, and we wish we could be there for your special day. Unfortunately, one of Mavish's cousins also thought this was a great weekend to get married.
Someone should have checked their calendar. I don't know what's happening.
But congratulations,
Congratulations.
You guys. See you soon.
বিয়ে করছি 9 বছর, তখন তার কিছু বুঝতে পারি নাই। এখন আস্তে আস্তে আমার 5টা ছেলে মেয়ে হলো, বড় হইলাম, তখন সংসার বুঝে নিলাম। তখন